Today I've travelled to the Engineering Technology Group. I'm with Steve Brown. Steve, a familiar face on our channels. We're here today to look at or talk about the turnkey side of the business and one of the projects that you've got going through here, because this is great to see for UK manufacturing.
Oh, brilliant, fantastic. I mean, the facility we've got now following our open house, we doubled the size of the showroom. So from a turnkey element, you can see here we're cramming the machines in and pushing them through our turnkey centre.
Is this where a lot of your customers are sort of pulling on your resources to give them a solution for their project in its entirety?
Yeah. I mean, the project that we've got behind us, these two NTRX, is a multi-million-pound project. What's been drilled into this project is never been seen before in the UK. So we've had to pull sources in from Europe, and it's going to touch all areas of the business and all characteristics of a machine tool environment.
We're going to see this in progress over the coming months, so we'll keep visiting, Steve. But just give us a flavour of what will be here as well, because there's going to be a lot of automation in this, I'm sensing.
Yeah. So we've basically doubled the size of this facility, so we've had to take next door just to get the cell inside. So the main function will be a robot in the middle, caretaking these two machines. We've got washing, we've got heating, we've got CMM, engraving.
Changing tools, changing work holding.
Yeah, so the robotics itself will change the spindle tooling. So we've got special spindles going within the machine, so we can interchange the work holding, changing over the grippers, tooling, material handling. All basically the operator will just deliver a tray to the cell.
We're middle of January now. When will this be? How long is this going to be going through here, Steve? When will it be on site?
Well, it started off. This is a 2-year project. So the cell we will be delivering in August. But as you can appreciate, the amount of elements that we're bringing into cell, there's milestones that we've got to go through that get ticked off along the way.
What have we got to the left of the machine here? Is this just an expanded tool changer, or is this where? Yeah, it looks like an expandable tool changer.
Yeah, so there's 360 tools on each machine. So because, again, the nature of the project, the customer wants to deliver the material, deliver the work holding, and then just take out the finished part. So these machines will both be tooled up for lights out running.
The expertise is in two things here, the development of the project, but also the costing of it. How important is that you get this right with such a big project?
It's huge. You know, the characteristics of this project, there's penalties in there for milestones for us that we need to deliver. Projects like this is all around the tack time, that the customer wants a part every 30 seconds, every minute, and that's what we sign up to.
So there you have it. We'll be back here to see this cell as it expands and becomes a finished product in the coming months. But if you're looking at a turnkey solution, if you want a company to take on your product or your project and from start to finish, then the Engineering Technology Group have the infrastructure and the manpower here. Thank you very much, Steve.
Thanks, Paul.